Ask yourself, if I were to die tonight, would my family struggle to make just next month's bills? Not to mention every month after that. If you answered yes to that question, then life insurance is your best way to help your family be prepared. None of us know when we're going to go back home, and we've all known more than one person that was very young and healthy yet still passed away unexpectedly. Now, the younger you are, the chances are smaller that you pass away before your parents, but are you willing to take that chance with your family's life? If not, the next thing you need to figure out is how do you get the most life insurance possible for the smallest amount of money. Most agents are captive agents, selling only their captive agents options, which are always the most expensive. You need an independent agent like Ray Keller, who started Independent Island Life Insurance Agency specifically to help everyone get the most affordable life insurance possible. He maintains access to every carrier out there and is never beat on price or quality. I mean, how do you beat someone on price or quality when they have access to it all? Short answer, you don't. Many have tried and all have failed. Reach out to Ray Keller at 435-200-4869 or find him on Facebook or Instagram at Independent Island Life Insurance. Remember, with life insurance, you're either early or late. You're never on time.